welcome to another video of my cooking channel. And in this video we are going to be making a pumpkin cake. And what we will need is 2 cups of flour, 1 cup of melted butter, 2 eggs, some brown sugar, some baking powder, and 1 cup of pumpkin. And if you are using a canned pumpkin, then it will be about half of a 15-ounce can. And some nutmeg, some pumpkin spice, some ginger, some vanilla, and some cinnamon. And we'll need to mix all of the ingredients together. And with the eggs, I recommend tapping outside the bowl like that. And there should be a crack like this. Then we're going to put it in there. And we will need 1 tablespoon of pumpkin spice, and there is about 1 tablespoon. Then we will need 1 teaspoon of nutmeg, and there's about 1 teaspoon. And if the measurements aren't exact, then that's okay. Then we will also need 1 teaspoon of ginger. And there's about 1 teaspoon. And I'm gonna add the 1 cup of melted butter. And then we will need 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. And there's about 1 teaspoon. And then 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And then we'll need a 1/2 cup of brown sugar. Oh, yeah, it's a little bit fast. Okay, and then we'll need to get that all mixed up. Okay, now to just put about half this canned pumpkin in there. And then we are going to mix that all. Once that's all mixed up, it should look something like this. We are going to preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Then with this recipe, you can turn it into muffins, cupcakes, or mini cupcakes, or you could just turn it into your basic cake, or you could turn it into a bundt cake. And I am going to be turning it. Don't forget to spray the pan before you put the batter into the pan. We are going to be baking the cake for about 30 to 35 minutes, or until a fork poked into the center comes out clean.